The day is what you make it. So, why not make it a great one? A very good morning to all of you. If there is a magic on this planet, it is contained in water.
As water is the most precious gift for the humanity by the nature, life on the earth is not possible without water. So, today we will study some more methods and experiment with water.
Today we will learn Chapter 4 Water, a wonderful liquid. Substances like water, oil, petrol, kerosene, milk, and spirit are liquid. Water is the most commonly used liquid. Let us take a look at some of the properties of water.
Some materials are soluble and some materials are insoluble in water. How? Let's see. If we add sugar to water, we find that sugar has disappeared. This is because the sugar has dissolved in it. So we say that sugar is soluble in water. Just like sugar, milk, detergent powder, common salt are soluble in water. On the other hand, if we add sand to water, we find that sand does not dissolve. So, we say that sand is insoluble in water. Just like sand, wax, glass, oil, and kerosene are insoluble in water. Children, do you know, like sugar and salt, gases are also dissolved in water. How? I will explain. Let's see. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide dissolve in water. In soda water or in any other soft drink, carbon dioxide is dissolved under pressure. When we open a bottle of soda water, we see that dissolved carbon dioxide escaping out rapidly in the form of bubbles. Water in lakes, rivers, ponds, and seas has a lot of oxygen dissolved in it. Plants and animals living in water use this oxygen. This is about the first property of water. Now we will discuss the other property of water, that is, some materials sink and some material float in water. If we will drop iron nail in water, we find that the iron nail sink in water and settles down the bottom of the beaker. Only those materials sink in water that are heavier than water. So we say that iron is heavier than water. Just like iron nail, iron, copper, aluminium, stone, and chalk are heavier than water. So they will also sink in water. Similarly, if we drop a small piece of wood in this water, the piece of wood does not sink in water. It will float. The material that floats on water is lighter than water. So, wood is lighter than water. Just like wood, plastic, ice, oil, and kerosene are lighter than water. So, today we have studied the two properties of water, that is, some materials are soluble and some materials are insoluble in water. And the second property, some materials sink and some material float in water. In the upcoming videos, we will learn some more properties of water. That's all for today, children.
Thank you. Have a nice day.